Hello everyone, today inshallah we're going to talk about life story, the form, meaning and function from the book Super Goal. Let's start with the time expressions from the past. Of course, if we have time expressions from the past, then we are going to use the words last, yesterday or ago. For example, last night, last Tuesday, wherever, yesterday morning, the day before yesterday, and so on. Ago, like 6 years ago, 2 days ago, a week ago. Okay, so all of these, we can use them on the past. Complete the sentences with the correct time phrases. Use the words in the parentheses. For example, if we're going to say, I'm in grade 9, last year I was in grade 8, okay? And 2 years ago I was in grade 7. So if we are going to use ago, then we are going to use numbers like 2 years ago, 2 months ago, as we explained before. Last, because here I was in grade, now I'm in grade 9. So, of course, last year I was in grade 8. Okay. Number two, I was born in 2003. So I used in because it's date. The year, I was born on May 25th, 14 years ago. Okay. Three, what time did you go to bed last night? Again, because I'm talking about something in the past. What time did you wake up this morning? This is not in the past this morning. And number four, I went to bed at 9 last night and woke up at 6 this morning. So these are the prepositions with time. We finished unit one of Super Golf 5 3 weeks ago. I started learning English when I was 6 years old. I didn't used to read and write when I was 3 years old. I started going to this high school in 2013. It's a year, so I used in. Ibn Saud founded the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in the 20th century, and the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia was founded in 1932 on September 23rd. Okay, so because it's a month with a date, so it's on. When clauses. They didn't go to school when they were 4 years old. So I can connect two sentences by using when. When I was a child, I used to play with my toys all the day. Now, I can use when in the middle of the sentence, two sentences, or I can use it at the beginning, but at the end of the first sentence, I can add comma, then I can continue the other one, okay? But the only thing that you have to focus in that when, if you connect it with two sentences, you have to use, if you use the first one as past, like didn't, the a second one also in the past, like was, used to, okay? Now, past dates and times, like for example, in 1998, in the 20th century, on May 25th, 2000, on Monday, this morning at 6 a.m. So all of these are past dates and times. Okay, put the words in order to make sentences. Let's start with the words in the bold. So the words in the bold here, I want you to start with them as a subject, then you can continue the rest of the sentences. For example, hosted in Beijing, the Summer Olympics 2008. Being hosted the Summer Olympics in 2008. So here we start with we, then the verb wrote, a math test the day before yesterday. Then we start here with Fahad because it's in the bold. Fahad, then the verb graduated from university when he was 23. Okay. Ali is the subject, was sick, so he didn't go to class this morning. Mona started working as a teacher 10 years ago. Then the last one, people didn't use to drive cars in the 19th century. Also, we have my parents bought me a cell phone last week, so I start my. I made new friends when I started high school. I start with I. So for this, we learned about the time expressions past, then the instructions, sentences when, then the locate the past from times and dates. Thank you for listening.